Alright, let's fix this Dodge Avenger AC clicking noise problem. I decided to tackle this problem myself. The dealership gave me a $1,500 estimate. They told me they had to take the whole engine out and whatnot, or whatever the fuck it was. Alright, here we go. So I took out the glove box. It's pretty easy to do. I'm sure you guys have done that to change your cabin air filter. Instructions are in your car manual. Alright, it's also on those hinges. Easy to pop off. Real easy. It'll go back on just as easy. Let's see where the actuators are. We have an actuator right there. And an actuator on the other side. I found it's the one on the other side. Based off of turning on the car with the glove box out, I heard the clicking coming from that one, so I decided to replace that one. Alright, to replace it, I took out the carpeting underneath the passenger dashboard. It wasn't too hard. It's held on by little plastic things. I was easily able to put them back on. It's no problem, but you need that so you can reach up in there. I use a small Phillips head screwdriver. It's pretty standard. I mean, you could probably get away with any Phillips head screwdriver, just about, but you need to make sure it's small enough to get up in there. I took out 2 screws, one right there, the little silver thing, and then one right up there in the corner right there. It wasn't that difficult, guys. I took out the wires. By that I mean I unclipped the wire harness. Wasn't too hard, and I took the part out and I ordered a new one. By order I mean I went to AutoZone, asked them for a Dodge Avenger 2008 door heat exchange actuator. Something like, they'll know what you're talking about. Heat exchange actuator. I'll throw a link in the description below. I replaced it, and it's been working just fine since. It's a kind of a rough video. Let me know if you have any questions. It's pretty straightforward, though. Leave a comment if you do. Thanks. Out.